At ASEPTO, we build on our values and focus on the three indispensable motives of our venture: to preserve the freshness, to protect the goodness, to promote the goodwill. And here's what ASEPTO has to offer. ASEPTO packaging material is designed to serve the dairy, beverage and distillery industries. A 6-layer arrangement of paper, aluminium and PE. ASEPTO Premium foil stamping and embossing. We deliver ingenious solutions that induce optimum satisfaction. You name it, we do it. We don't just offer one, but diverse type of packs: brick pack, pillow pack and trio pack, available in various shapes and sizes. ASEPTO packs are designed for total recyclability and zero harmful emissions.